So here we have another quick unboxing video. This is for the Fiat 500 crystal red and clear LED rear lights we keep. We do also keep this non-LED version should you wish to choose them. We'll get this box opened up, we'll have a closer look, and we'll also get them illuminated. Now this LED rear light is to suit both hatchback and cabriolet. Now what we'll do is, once we've got them opened and we'll take a closer look, I'll explain how you make these fit the cabriolet. As you can see, boxed really well for when you're ordering online. There is some basic fitting instructions. This is regarding whether it fits the cabriolet or hatchback. So as you can see on the instructions, there's some perforated plastic sections here and here. This needs to be removed if fitted to a cabriolet. So this can be done just with a simple set of pliers. It's designed to just snap out and then it'll fit in a cabriolet. If you're fitting them in a hatchback, leave it as it is and just plug them directly in. So there's no wiring needed. These lights are fitted with bulbs as well as the LED section. There is also built-in resistors, so you don't get any warning lights on your dashboard. They are completely road legal. They are fully E-marked and also MOT compliant. Overall build quality is really good. Overall finish of the lights is really nice also. So what we've got is sort of like a dark and red crystal and a totally clear for the indicators. This side is for your fog light. On this side is for the reversing light. Okay, so we've now got these on a 12-volt feed just to illustrate how these are illuminated. So first of all, we have the indicator, which is just a normal bulb type. This is the fog light. On the opposite rear light, it will just be just a standard white light for reverse. So there's your fog light. Here is your LED brake light. And here is your side light.